Alright guys, another night up here in wild north of Netley, I tell you. It's our first trip out to Lake Winnipeg here at Balsam Bay. We got cousin Rick, aka Ricky Rum, and we are heading out onto the big water, and I'm going to show you something here. I got this little avionics chip which shows the depth and contour of the lake in pretty detailed form, so we're going to try and find a spot and take it from there. We'll see you out in the water. We start drilling some holes. Left shore, pretty good wind, but we'll get that tent set up right away. And I picked this spot because we're at about 15 feet, right on the break line, where there's kind of a hump just over there, and then it's flat and deeper water over here. So we're gonna set up here and give her a whirl. Hopefully it turns out good. I like it because there's no one around. Kind of not many people around us, so we'll get everything set up and check back with you. Alright, we're set up here, finally. We got the Aquaview set up here. It's about, I don't know, 5 feet away from our holes. Hard to pick anything up. I got the LED light on. It's pretty murky down there. So we will
check it out.
I'm trying to find my jig moving, but I can't pick it up. It's too... Either the water's too cloudy, which is not good for us, or it's just not doing the job in this lake. But we'll see. Having some issues with the big buddy. It's not staying lit. Rick's working on that. Alright. Ricardo had a bite on a minnow. So,
have to do a minnow check.
Okay guys, I'm not sure if you could see, but this Aquaview is working pretty good. You could probably see the contour of the bottom of the lake there in this shot. Pretty good. Alright. First fish of the day. I just looked at the Aquaview and I saw a tail. I told Ricardo I saw a tail swim by. And there we go.
We got a little fishy.
Did not show up on the flasher.
Come on out there.
Showed up on the Aquaview.
Back in the hole she goes.
And then ended up on his line. You got a minnow inside our heater. We're cooking minnows there.
Oh shit.
Inside the buddy.
That's where it went to.
A little bit of incense.
A little bit of fish smell.
Hey guys, another nice day up here in the wild north of Netley, I tell you. We are here on Lake Winnipeg again, and we are going to give it a shot today to see if we can catch some greenbacks and some walleye. It is minus 14, wind chill's about minus 21 they say, so it's kind of cold. Little bit of a wind coming off here. So anyways, we're going to give it a shot. I got the avionics chip set up. I have a spot picked out. I'll show you here. So we are right here, right now, right where the red circle is there. And I got a spot picked out there. Lots of lines close together there. So I'm going to see. There's some anywhere from, it looks like 18 to 14, 13, 7, 9. So I'm going to go try and find it, see how far it takes me. I'm not sure how I feel about this, but I'm totally relying on the depth of the water here. My avionics says I'm in between 15 and 19 feet here. I haven't checked yet for sure. Right behind a truck there, about 20 yards, there's a 7-foot hump there. And right that away, it goes down to 21 and 25 feet. So I'm kind of in that middle transition area. I hope she works out. We'll try it. I'm gonna use the Gord Pizer technique today. I got 3 holes drilled. Middle one for the deucer, One side for rattling, live target or something, and then a dead stick and the jig and minnow. I've also drilled an extra hole for my Aqua-Viewed. Probably it's very dark out again today. It's very overcast, so that probably won't show up too well, but we'll give it a whirl. So one of the guys was out yesterday in the bus, and it's somewhere out there, and looks like that's where everybody is. I kind of feel my confidence is not very high right now for where I am, but hey, we don't know if we don't try, so let's get this party started and get set up. It's on the Navy Onyx, it shows it's a 7-foot hump with deep water all around, and I'm on that hump right now. But all I'm seeing on the Aqua-View is the odd bait fish and those what I believe are shrimp down there. So I think I'm gonna bug out of this spot and move more into the middle of the lake. I tell you guys, the wind picked up here so bad. I bugged out, moved deeper water, started sitting on my tent. I went to go grab something else. Next thing I turn around, my tent's fucking rolling down the fucking lake. Oh, jump in the truck, track her down. Come back, I must have gone about a kilometer chasing it. Came back, and I said, to hell with that. I'm by myself, can't do this. So I'm going old school. No shack, no tent. I'm in 20 feet of water right now. I got the live target going here, and I got a dead stick there. We'll see what happens. I'm just sweating now. Oh, that's horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. But let's see if we can turn this day around and catch a greenback. Hey guys, another nice day up here in the wild north of Netley, I tell you. We are out here on Lake Wpg to give another shot. It is January 1st. Happy New Year, everyone. Got cousin Rick here, aka Ricky Rum. Expert guide, I believe, is not too far behind us, so special treat today. We're heading out to the bus, so it's somewhere out that way. All right, guys. Expert guide here is here. Cool. Saved the day again. Drilled all the holes for us. It's about a good 3.5 feet deep here, and we are probably a good kilometer to 2 out. Bus is located right kind of near this ice ridge here. Right here. There's a bigger one way out there. Actually, this one's kind of moving all over the place. So there it is on this side here. Yeah, it's shitty. Can't cross that. So we're basically out as far as we can go. We got everything set up in here. Now all we do is catch some fish. All right. Wait, I got a mark finally. Ooh, is that the glide?
Yeah.
Oh. Have you caught anything on it yet?
No.
It's a fish.
It's a fish.
Good man.
You guys keep them or no?
Not that small.
Fucking transducer, I tell you.
Oh, that's decent.
That's a decent
better
one. Yeah.
That's better. Oh, we're cooking here.
Want it?
No. Send her home.
Nice fish.
Good man. Well, boys, a little update here. We're working hard. Expert guide, of course, got a couple greenbacks, a couple eaters, small one. Cousin Rick got a sauger. And we are talking over each other.
And look who we ran into. Look at that.
Hey! Welcome to the wild north of Netley, I tell you.
And there's the expert guy.
There he is, in the
Look at
flesh.
this. Look what, it's amazing who you run into out on the lake, isn't it? So anyway, that's about all I got for you fellas. I'm just going to enjoy my time with these fellas here, bullshitting and whatnot, and then we got to get back to fishing. So I'll just see you on the next episode of Fishing with the Donkey.
Yeah, perfect.
That's hilarious.
Not having too much luck today. Expert guide headed off, and I tell you, it's pretty slow. I figure I would take a little break before I have my kubasa and rye bread and go visit a friend who's close by. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that is really cool. Crazy. Anyway, so we figured we'd go see a friend over here. It's close by. I think he brought the old swamp donkey. I think he brought his niece here. He's got the truck running. Oh, she's in the truck, sleeping. She's ready to go. How's it going? Any luck?
Fuck all.
Nothing?
Fuck all nothing.
Me neither. We haven't even had a mark.
Oh no?
Like in the last since you left.
We're gonna have a little nap.
I see that. On her phone.
Oh, you got the video going.
You got it, man.
Hey!
Okay, Swamp Donk here. He's got the old heater going.
Old heater.
Got the high money Vexlar.
Yeah, that's a good one right there. FL18 Ultra Pack.
SL18 Ultra Pack. It ain't catching the fish, though.
It ain't catching shit. Yeah.
It looks like he could fall right through, but man, really crazy. All right, there's the old bus smoking away in the chimney. We're gonna give another hour or so, and if we don't catch nothing, then we're gonna head home. It's cold out today. The wind is out here. It's got a south wind. Not as cold as it has been, of course, but hello. Oh, Ricardo. I tell you, he's having a good time. Did he bring any rum today, though? I don't know what the hell's wrong with that guy. Any luck?
No.
Oh.
They had any luck?
No, nothing.